Assalamu alaikum. In this episode we're going to be creating CanYouRunIT with Go. It took me a little bit of time, but I'm really satisfied with the outcome, and honestly I got really bored of just writing CRUD applications like to-do list, and I think this one was a really fun thing to build. So basically what it is, if I run it, here I get my PC stats. You can as well get a lot more from from Go Sutil. And now I'm gonna enter a game. That's phase 2. Game ID found. This is ID, and this is are the requirements basically. And for example, if I run it again and write that space without space, game not found. And few things were done to get this one. First of all, use the Steam API. It's free. And as well, there's another thing. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one. For example, this is here should be the ID. ID. So you have like quite a lot. Still going through. So I think that's why like Go was a good choice. So for example, I'm gonna take something random. Okay, this one. App ID 438050, name downfall demo. And if I like paste it here, it should actually give me the output. And here are the stats for the game. You as well have pictures. You can get any particular type of data. And one other side note, if you wanna go through it in a blog post, I as well have it here, and I will attach it in the video link below. Okay, so we're gonna start off by creating a main Go. Go mod init. GitHub. It's common practice to actually put your GitHub and your username, and after that the project itself, so to say. CanYouRunIT. So here we have the mod file. I'm running on Go version 1.18. I don't actually need Go mod IT, but I actually do require some packages. I think it's just one actually. Go get. And now if we refresh, it shows indirect, but it shouldn't make a huge difference. I'm gonna create struct. As well, it's main, and we have to create multiple type of structs for it. As you recall here, this is like the whole API for Steam, for all the games, and for that we have this mhold GitHub JSON to Go. Is really helpful. It's gonna help me convert to the required struct. And this is for auto-generated. We're gonna name it games. Actually paste it. It's always like this auto-generated, and we're gonna name it as games. You can name it whatever you want, and because we have as well, gonna just paste it here. So this one is a system info. They have host name, platform, CPU, RAM, disk, and you have a lot more from this. Where is it? Yeah, from Go PC tool, what we're gonna discuss about shortly later. So here, remove everything, paste. Here everything is inline, but I'm gonna separate it because we're not gonna use all of it. If you want, you can put additional data to retrieve and compare it. So now I'm gonna just copy it. Go here and paste it. As you can see, there's quite a lot. Actually, let me see. I don't actually require all of these ones, so moving on. If you have any questions, just hit me up on the video below. So we always have to define func main. Now in this main, just gonna copy the stats. I need auto import. So basically here we're gonna get the host stat from this one and get the host CPU. It's all from the same package, basically, from GitHub. Virtual memory, and it can be even more data up to display. So we can write here. It's not idiomatic, but it was how I started writing Go. So here PC stats. Your PC stats, we're gonna say output. Pretty print info. FMT, pretty print output. So we currently don't have, we actually can have a small pretty print because it's in the same package. If it would be like from a different package, then it has to be uppercase, FYI. So we're gonna create a function pretty print. It's just to make it look better. We're gonna pass in an interface. Actually, it actually just have to be I interface, and we're gonna return back a string. JSON, we need JSON, we need marshal indent, prefix empty, and we're gonna indent with D. And now here we're gonna return as, can I just return S? No. Go not tidy to install more. Oh yeah, I need some more packages. The file should be snake case. So we have to pass in the Steam API. Here it is. Now it shows that it's unused. So next we define game ID, API games. We're gonna pass in all games here. We have to as well create this function, create function. Okay, function is created. Now if game ID is 0, then fn, or actually can if error f game not found. Okay, perfect. Otherwise check game ID. Perfect. And we have to as well create this function. Perfect. This one actually should be above. It should be uppercase. In my repo I have it lowercase, but it's a lot better to have it second word uppercase and just in the repository of